Hey friends, if you wish to share a file or folder in OneDrive, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So just open File Explorer and then expand this list. Okay, and then you can go to any uh, any of these files and folders and then find the location of the file and folder that you wish to share. Let's say that you wish to share this file. So right click on it and select share. Make sure that you see the OneDrive icon here, which means that it is already uploaded to OneDrive. Now you can share it to any specific email ID, not just a Hotmail email ID or an Outlook one, but any email ID, or and you can send it, or you can copy the link. So I'll show you how to copy the link for a different file. Right click on it and select share, and then you can select any of these options to send it, or you can right click on it and I'll show you. Right click on it and select share, and then simply copy the link and send this link to anyone else through any other medium like an email or WhatsApp or anything. This is what I do, though you can also send it through the email options that I showed earlier. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.